Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have an ice cream truck here. And oh, we got some customers. Yeah. We got more guys. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. That's because a lot of people want their ice cream. And yeah, they have to wait 90 ice cream trucks. Usually they have to stop because they ain't gonna want ice cream. Now let's see. Yeah, we're not gonna make it too long though. I know if you guys saw my announcement thingy, I'll be here sleeping over. I could have a premiere tomorrow, so viewers don't just pretend. Don't pretend that you believe me. Like, I don't know what I'm saying. What am I saying? Okay, what I'm saying is, you guys took so big. I'm climbing up the walls. Oh, she's coming back. That's the same lady. The camera's selfie though. I'm just surprised. Outside is pretty good. Oh, there's the. She's back. Alright, there. That's all of them. I think they're about to leave. I think the truck's about to leave. See what they are. Oh wait, there is. You guys are not gonna be able to see it, but oh, there we go. Oh, that thing is fast. Alright guys, end of the video guys. Like, subscribe. Then you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and post this as a premiere. Guys, peace.